Hi everyone! We have a new release of 5 plates that are perfect for the introduction of summer. Here I'm going to introduce M207, and here are some full nail style kind of like buffet plates. So basically the way that a plate like this would work is that you could just pick any element that you want and stamp that to your nails. The next plate I have is M208. So this has a lot of really fun stuff if you wanted to do a textile nail design. So the next one is M209. As you can see, it has a little bit of everything. So it has some full nail designs plus some individual stuff. The next plate I have is M210. This plate has a lot of really cool mermaid scales in general. And then here is the last of the plates. So this is M211. This is another buffet style plate. As you can see, there's a lot of concepts you can do here. Sky's the limit with a plate like this.